Hi, this is Mr. Fisher, Music Director with the Performing Arts Academy in Highlands Ranch, Colorado, coming at you with tip number 1 for creating the perfect audition video for your next musical. First up, orientation of your phone. Always landscape. That means turning your phone sideways. This will make it easier for directors to view on computers as well as their phones and give you space to gesture and emote during your song. Tip number 2, make sure you have a nice solid background, whether that's hanging a sheet that doesn't have any wrinkles, or if you do this a lot, you can go ahead and just paint a wall a color that you like that doesn't distract from you as the performer or wash you out in the video screen. And tip number 3, make sure your framing is from just below the waist to just above the head. We don't need to see what your legs are doing while you're singing your song, and we really aren't that interested in what's going on the wall above your head either. We want the focus to be on you and how great you are as a performer. Hope this helps. Stay tuned for more tips on creating the perfect audition video for your next musical.